Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and responsive. Don't waste time on peripherals. Open Settings, go to Apps, and locate the current launcher so you know what you're restarting. Once you find it, tap Force Stop to clear a stuck state, then press the Home button to trigger a relaunch. If nothing happens, make sure Safe Mode is off and you haven't set a lock task. These can prevent the home screen from appearing when the system thinks another UI owns the display. Next, switch or reset the launcher to recover the home screen. Open Settings and find Home App or Default Apps. Select a different launcher to test whether your default is corrupted. After selecting, clear cache and storage for the original launcher to remove bad preferences that block the UI. If the problem persists, install a trusted third-party launcher from the Play Store and set it as default. This isolates whether the issue is system-level versus just one launcher app failing. To finish, reboot the device and recheck the Home button behavior. A reboot resolves many transient issues. If a simple reboot fails, boot to recovery mode and choose a cache partition wipe if available. This preserves data while clearing system caches. Make sure apps are updated and remove any recent app updates that coincide with the failure. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset if you get stuck. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.